Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Super Chef Eric. And in case you're new here, thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. And you can always hit the like and subscribe, and even if you don't like the video, hit don't like. Just let me know why. Today we're going to be making a gluten-free vegan pasta salad to take to a party. Yeah, so hang out after this intro and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, thanks for hanging out through that intro. Now we're going to get ready to get started. I'm going to go over what I used first. I got one box of Ronzoni gluten-free penne, and I've cooked that according to the instructions on the box to nice al dente. And I like this because it's got the tube, so it's really going to soak up all that wonderful dressing and taste and everything else. Then the next ingredient, as you can see, is 3.5 cups of red cabbage, sliced. You want it a decent, not super skinny, not super thick. 1 bunch of green onions. You can use part of the white, but if you use too much of it, it's going to be a little more bitter. But I like the pepperiness it's going to bring. And for a little sweetness and beautiful color, I got 1 diced yellow bell pepper. And you can use red bell pepper, you can use green bell pepper. If you're doing a big one, like say you've got a big party to go to, and you want to go ahead and double the batch, then I would get like 1 bell pepper red and 1 bell pepper yellow. And then, since we already seasoned the pasta water, we're going to have 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red chilies. Anybody that's been watching my channel knows I love my food spicy, and so does pretty much everybody that's coming to the graduation party today. So we're going to start by putting the pasta in. Then we're going to put the cabbage, and the reason I like to use so much cabbage, it gives it a nice texture. And also it gives you a little bit of volume, and it's a little bit better than coleslaw. It's kind of a hybrid between coleslaw and pasta salad. Then we're going to add the green bell peppers, green onions. I don't know what I'm thinking about. Yellow bell pepper. Get in there. There you go. Now we're going to give this a nice toss. I love these new Pyrex mixing bowls I just got at Costco. Got them on rebate. $11 for a set of 4 with lids. Oh, and it's going to be so good to take to the party. Alright. Now for the fun part. You can use whatever kind of Italian vinaigrette you like. I really enjoy this Tuscan Annie's because, as you can see right here, vegan. That's right. So we're going to give it a nice little shake. And the key when you're adding the dressing is add a little bit at a time. Give it a stir, because if you add too much, you can't take it out. Kind of like if you're making a sauce and you're doing to season it, you just do a little bit at a time until you kind of get it where you want it, because you can always add more. You can't take it out, especially when you're baking. And that's one reason I'm not a big fan of bacon. Baking. Used to be a huge fan of bacon, but baking is real precise. And the reason we're adding the wet ingredients before we add the dry spices is that way it'll be able to get nice and it'll adhere to the dressing. So, and you always want to start off a little higher to help sprinkle it out. We got the red pepper, black pepper, and just a little bit of salt. Now what I'm going to do when I get to the party, I've got some Violife Parmesan cheese. You've seen me use that in other recipes. I'm going to grate a little bit of that to put in here. And we're going to be good to go. So give me just 1 second and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now for my favorite part, the taste test, or you might want to call it a quality check. I don't know if you can see that, but I got some pasta, some green onion, some cabbage, some yellow bell pepper. Oh, baby, that's some good stuff. Well, if you like this video, you want to see more like it, subscribe. If you liked it and you learned something, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, don't hit the thumbs down. Just let me know why you did. And if you have any requests for any specific dishes, leave them in the comments. I get back to everybody in the comments. Alright? Thanks a lot, guys. And remember, life's too short to eat bad food.